Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if Direct 3D or DirectDraw Acceleration is not available or working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should be Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever needed to import it back in, all you have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now at this point we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK current user folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder, and now go to Microsoft and double click on that. So underneath Microsoft, you want to look for a folder that says Avalon.graphics right here. And just go ahead and now on the right panel, right click in a blank area, select new and select the word 32-bit value. Name this disable and then capital HWA acceleration. So the A in acceleration is capitalized here. So disable HW acceleration, capital D in disable, HWA, and then acceleration basically, so the A in acceleration is capitalized, and hit enter. So a value of 0 in here, if you double click on it, will indicate that hardware acceleration is enabled. If you delete the 0 and type in a numerical value of 1, that will disable hardware acceleration. So make your selection, and then you would select OK. And then once you're done with that, you would need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. So let's just go ahead and restart our device at this point. Something else you want to do here as well is open up the search menu, type in Windows Features. Best match, you'll come back with Turn Windows Features On or Off. Go ahead and open that up. You want to scroll down and underneath Legacy Components, select the plus sign, and then Direct Play. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.